Before installation, check the cabinet defect and installation environment. If you find a problem, please inform the customer immediately of it. The above issues are not covered by product warranty. Before installation, check the cabinet specifications, power socket location, installation space, and ventilation space. Please refer to the user manual, installation guide for further details. Check the flatness of the cabinet. Check the squareness of the cabinet. Unpack the fridge by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging. Make sure to hold the knife properly so it doesn't scratch the product. Remove protective packing. Find the installation guide and check the installation process. And then check the installation materials in fridge. Remove the gasket that is attached to the back of the fridge. Open the packing of foam P and check the foam P installation guide. It protects the door and increases the insulation effect. Peel off the adhesive covers and attach foam P in front of the fridge door. Peel off the adhesive covers and attach foam P in front of the freezer door in the same way. Check the full installation materials. Remove all the guards from the fridge door. Disassemble the screws of the top hinge. Remove the fridge door and carefully place to one side. Disassemble screws and the middle hinge. Remove the freezer door and carefully place to one side. Remove the right top hinge of freezer door. Loosen screws in the bottom opposite side and assemble the right top hinge. Pick grommet out of freezer door bottom hole and insert it in the opposite hole. After you check shape of grommet rib, bottom hole, insert the grommet. Disassemble the bottom right hinge and screws. Place the freezer door back on the freezer. Move to the screw in the opposite side. Hole cap and grommet of the freezer top changes places with each other. Assemble middle hinge. Pick grommet out of fridge door bottom hole and insert it in the opposite hole. Assemble the right bottom hinge in the top opposite side of fridge door. Place the fridge door back on the fridge. Fasten screws of the left top hinge. Place all the guards back into the fridge door and check alignment of the door. After change the door hinge point, remove the gasket of fridge freezer door. Then rotate them 180 degree and reassemble the gaskets. Continue with the installation. Insert the power cable. Carefully insert fridge into cabinet. Softly slide the appliance until 41 mm depth stops from cabinet front edge. In case of right hinge point, keep for 3 mm gap between set and cabinet left side. Equally adjust 41 mm depth from cabinet front edge. If the fridge is tilted, you can adjust it by foot. If you turn it clockwise, the set tilts backwards. Conversely, if you turn it counterclockwise, the set tilts forward. After adjustment, recheck 41 mm depth from cabinet front edge. Screw fridge foots on the cabinet. Cut cap leg front, left and right from middle bracket. Assemble the left middle bracket and screws. Loosen the screw. Assemble the middle hinge and screws. Cut away its cover from support rail. Loosen 2 screws in fridge door and assemble 2 support rails. Loosen 2 screws in freezer door and assemble 2 support rails in the same way. Turn over the guide rail and put it until plastic rib engaged. Place the guide rail onto a support rail and remark 2 screw points. Insert guide rail into the center of support rail and screw in 2 pre-marked points. Close cover guide rail and support rail. Please install the lower rail in the same way. After that, you should check the rail operation. Please install the rails at the top and bottom of the freezer in the same way. After that, you should check the rail operation. Mark the fridge gasket as much as desired length and cut the gasket and carefully attach it. Please install the freezer gasket in the same way. Assemble the Samsung logo. Assemble the front cover. Insert the top cover. Screw the top cover and insert the screw cap. Insert the middle hinge cover. Remove left bottom screws and insert hole caps. Find cap left and right, separate from middle bracket, and combine with leg front cover. Peel off adhesive cover and attach leg front cover. Power on the fridge and check control display, LED lamp, and other electrical parts. After completing the final check, please inform the customer of installation results. Once you receive customer confirmation, installation is complete.